Man, I have to use, speaking my voice sounds like I can't say anything, dude. So firstly, thank you, IFA, for having us here. And what I'm actually excited about is I just saw all the sponsors. So years ago, IFA used to have like biscuits and they used to give us a little basket of goodies. Now I think we have Mysore funding us to buy Shobha apartments and we have Nexa cars to go back in. Ease My Trip is just going to get us planes and Z is going to finance all our films. So thank you. Thank you, Abu Dhabi. Thank you, Yas Island, for having us. This is the first time for the Utsavam being here. And we'll have a great night. Thank you.
I love the way Sabas was so happy hearing the sponsors and him saying, well done. Sir, we will be chatting with a few of our other friends. But how about a few lines for our friends in Yas Island, Abu Dhabi? We can make it an entertainment show right here, right now. So yeah, let's do this. How many of you want to hear a few lines of his song? I love it. So all right. Kriti, you want it? Ready? Okay.
Hi guys, hi everyone, and hi Abu Dhabi, hi Aifa. Okay, before I start singing, I think I would like to sing something for Kriti because she was one of the persons who put her hand up. And I also need to tell you that I'm so proud to say that Kriti's debut film was with us, One Ne Nokkane, and oh my God, you have to say it.
आओ तो जो मोक करता अभी ये कॉन्कनी लैंग्वेज है तो ये किसी को नहीं समझ में आएगी बट यू एक्सप्लेन
Guys, don't feel jealous. She just said I love you. Me too. So this is a song that I made for Kriti for Ne Nokkane film. That was her first song, and I'm really proud of you, Kriti. And Suku sir and I were talking a lot about you, the way you have grown and the place you have reached. Let's give it up for Kriti first. The song goes like, Aao tu zomo kortan, aao tu zomo kortan, aao tu zomo kortan, rock star me. So that's the song. Kriti, you killed it, and all the best for all your endeavors. And then I'm really so happy to be here, and really lovely to see my friends, the one and the only Arre Nati Rana. And the one who looks decent but very indecent, Sajja. Teja Sajja, నీకు లేదు సిగ్గు లజ్జ. Like that.
సాయంత్రం మైక్ నా దగ్గర ఉందన్న సాయంత్రం నీ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ నేను ఇప్పుడు వెళ్ళి ప్లాన్ చేస్తాను
మైక్ ఎక్కడున్నదే అన్నది కాదు మా మ్యాటర్ మాట ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అన్నది ఆన్సర్ సో now I think you guys can kind of get a gist of what's going to be happening on the stage. So beware of your eyes, ears, and everything that you own when you're going to attend this show. Okay, so we are going to have fun on the stage. And right now, I would just like to say to Abu Dhabi, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa, antawa ammawa. Thank you, guys.
I love the way he was disclosing a lot of cards, saying one is rowdy and one is indecent. Are you ready for a cracker of a show? How are you both of you preparing to host? Are you thinking of things on the spot? Are you rehearsing? How's it looking like?
Question is over, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have only one script, sir. If you ask me anything, I will tell off over here.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
Sure.
So let's keep it for the evening, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir, big fan of the legendary work. Give it up for Sir. Really, we need your blessings for the award, sir. And like I said, love the kind of work you've done. What would you like to tell all your fans here, sir?
Vanakkam. Thank you, Aifa, for creating this great event and this space. It's nice. We are all from India. It's not south or north or east or west. We're all together in the same space. That makes us stronger. The bonding is deeper. Understanding is deeper. So thank you. I'm excited as a last fan in the last row because it's the first IFA award function I'm participating. My wishes to whoever, my friend Andrew, Sudesh and everything. Happy. I'm very happy to be here and I'm really getting excited to watch the event. Thank you.
And we all need your blessings, sir. Thank you so much. Give it up for Sir, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to come there. Rashi, I mean, look at this. The best of all industries coming together as one team. I know you're very, very happy. We're so happy. It's going to be epic. What are your feelings about IFA Utsavam?
Hello, Abu Dhabi. I'm very excited that IFA this time has sort of blended the North and the South. And as Sir said, that we are one industry today. So very, very happy and very, very proud of that fact. Looking forward to all the performances that are going to happen. And mine as well. I'm very excited about my own as well. So looking forward to all these lovely people performing, everyone who's attending, and I've heard that a lot of people are attending, so I'm very happy about that. Thank you to Andre, to Sabas, and to Viraf for putting it all together and making it bigger and better every year. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My first ever award I had received as an actor was with IFA for my debut film. My first ever Best Actor award was with IFA. And I hosted IFA last time and I'm hosting this time also. I'm performing as well. But this time it's a little bit more special because I'm hosting with the most special human being, and that's Shah Rukh Khan. You know, all these sunglasses that I'm wearing, and of course it's part of vanity because we all love vanity as actors, but it also comes along with working with a man who works for 24 hours straight with a smile on his face, and that's Shah Rukh Khan, sir. It's only for since like a couple of hours before we were on stage rehearsing for our show, and that's why I'm just wearing glasses so that, you know, you don't think I was partying all night. But looking forward to just having a great time. We always receive so much love from the people of Abu Dhabi, and it's only multiplying every year. So thank you so much for having us here. Thank you to the team of IFA. Thank you to our friends in media.
I am too excited for, of course, Utsavam. And after seeing you two here on this stage, I'm really excited for your hosting. You know, I think it's going to be really funny. मुझे जितना समझ में आएगा, आप थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश में भी बात कर लेना, हिंदी में भी कर लेना. तेलुगु ज़्यादा नहीं समझ में आएगी, but I think you're damn good and you guys will really kill it. You were damn funny here right now. I couldn't stop laughing. And of course, the IFA award show, I'm really excited about performing as well, but I'm excited about two other people. More excited than anything else, of course, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, hosting again, performing this time. You know, I've seen him perform and host multiple award shows, you know, from my childhood when I used to watch him on TV to live, and he's doing it after a very, very long time, and I'm really excited to see him. There's no one better than him. And another performance that I'm very excited about is Rekha ma'am, you know. रेखा मैम को मैंने एक बार आईफा में परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा था बैंकॉक में. Abu Dhabi, you're gonna witness the most magical performance of your life because she is too good. Like there is no one like her, and I'm gonna be there watching her perform, सामने से front seat. So I booked that. But I hope you guys enjoy the show and thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ananya Pandey. Like the other day we were talking, it looks like Ananya Pandey is here.
It's my second time with IFA. My first ever stage performance was with IFA. And here I am performing again. And I'm so excited about everything, starting with Utsavam and the green carpet. It's always so impact driven. And this year, the fact that it's about women empowerment and everything that Shobha is doing, I think it's extra special. So I'm really excited to see my favorite people, everyone here on stage.
I think what art and music do is bring people together. And India is so diverse, which is my favorite thing about my beautiful country. And we speak different languages, we eat different food, we wear different clothes. But then when it comes to art and music, we end up singing a song जिसके lyrics हमको शायद पता ही नहीं है और समझ में नहीं आते, but that's what music and art do, and the films do, that we end up singing and representing each other, and IFA is doing that this time, so more power to everyone in this room to do that.
And of course, how many of us want to see a live performance right here? So over to you.
तालियां बजाओगे? Is it no लय में ताल में ऐसे 1 2 3 4 come on. हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने, बहुत ही तंग किया अब तक इन ख्यालों ने, नशा चढ़ा जो शरीफी का, रियाज लगेगा, बेशरम रंग कहाँ देखा दुनिया वालों ने, हमें तो लूट लिया मिलके इश्क वालों ने. Thank you so much.
Wow, so you got a sneak peek what's happening at IFA Rocks?
मैम अगर आप लास्ट लाइन, हाँ नहीं वैसा आप कर सकती हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैम अगर लास्ट लाइन अगर आप वो गाएंगी
For sure.
तो वहाँ से मैं
What
रैप उठा लूंगा कुछ रोमांटिक टाइप.
Rap उठा लो. Okay.
मैं रैप उठा लूंगा.
Okay, rap उठा लो.
आप आवाज
Okay, here we go. वे मैं ता चले या तेरी ओर तेरा चले या, है जोर तेरी होई मैं यार वे, बुले आए संसार वे.
कहता कुछ नहीं ना बोली तुम भी ज्यादा नहीं, बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं, खामोशियों से छू लो मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको, देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं, बताए राज जो रात आसमान को, बता दूं तुझको वो भी आज सारे रात को, बैठो पास मेरे हाथों में हाथ दो, बताओ तुम भी जो किसी से कभी कहा ना हो, शहरों के शोर से और तेरी बातें लोरी सी, गाड़ियों की दौड़ से निकल पड़ी थी जिंदगी जो तुम आई ठहर गया, टूटा तारा था मैं बिखर गया निकल गया मैं ढूंढने फलक, वहीं फर्क नहीं लोगों से चांद तारे तोड़ लें, अब किसी का डर नहीं, उंगली रख दे जहां तू चले वहीं बना दूं आजा तेरे नाम अंतरिक्ष पे एक सड़क नहीं. पाजी
ना?
विकी पाजी
You know, I just slightly put it at Vicky कि यार एक पंजाबी गाना हो जाए यार. Vicky, demand यार.
Sid, there's a difference between गाना सुनना और गाना गाना. मुझे गाना सुनना अच्छा
तू
लगता है.
कल अपने इंस्टा पे तू जिम के अंदर गा रहा था, हाँ, और वो तेरा बंदा रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था. अब यहाँ पे तू चश्मा पहन, एक तो पहले तूने बोला कि जिसने भी काला चश्मा पहना है वो सब पार्टी करके हैं, यहाँ पे सब उतार रहे हैं 1 by 1. तूने तो शाहरुख सर का नाम ले लिया और तेरे पंजाबी गाने के भी नाम जाने नहीं वाले हैं यहाँ से. You have owned it.
Vicky, we are obsessed.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा तुझे. अरे पंजाबी गाना तो तू ऐसे बिहेव करे, you're behaving like a virgin of Punjabi songs, you're not.
But actually,
He is
मैंने
the
इसको
virgin
गाते
we've
हुए नहीं
established.
सुना है, हाँ?
Okay. हाँ, I've been. Thanks, Shahid. Okay, I'll. Since the time I've come to Abu Dhabi, I feel like my name's changed from Vicky Kaushal to. So we'll just attempt that where we'll sing it together. What do you say? Yeah? Husn tera. Yeah, start from the start. This is the start. It just goes tana tana tan. Husn tera toba 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 toba. Husn tera toba 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 toba. Husn tera toba 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 toba. इतना ही आता है. बाकी करण औजला सर भी आ रहे हैं, उनसे सुन लीजिएगा. By the way, for Rana sir, I just wanted to say something. Sorry. You know, with Rana sir, we bumped for the first time into each other in the gym in Mumbai. And I just walked in early in the morning and he was there working out. And all of a sudden I saw him and I was like, Rana sir, because I don't know, for some reason, I just always see him fighting a bull. And I believe that, you know. And he always keeps saying, hey, what is this, sir? Yeah, what is this, sir? I'm like, यार मैं क्या करूं? I can only say sir. But what I've witnessed today, your energy and your vibe, for the first time, I'm being able to call you Rana as a friend. So, and I'm sure you're gonna befriend everybody in UAE with your lovely energy. Rana. Yes. No, but now I want to party with you.
सब यहाँ देख लोगे तो
आप
कल
आइए
क्या देखोगे?
जो आप इतना तौबा बोल रहे हैं, आप आइए 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 आप विनर है कॉन्टेस्ट के, आइए आप
अब वो बोल रहे हैं तौबा तौबा।
आइए ना सर, आइए आइए सर, आइए आइए आइए, अरे सर आइए ना आप। विकी आपके लिए तो वेट कर रहा था, अब करेगा वो पूरा स्टेप करेगा। गाइस कम ऑन यार, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज यार। आइए सर। विकी ओवर टू यू।
Thanks, Shahid. Come, sir. What's your name, sir?
राजीव।
राजीव जी, आप क्या करते हैं? आप इंजीनियर हो? मैं भी होते होते रह गया, फिर एक्टर बन गया मैं। Should we do Tauba Tauba together? Sir, even I never danced before this. Okay, can I teach you how to do the Tauba Tauba step? उनको आता है? Okay, it's very simple, Rajiv ji, इधर आइए. Two engineers together, we'll dance on Tauba Tauba. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. करे? अरे करना है अभी, थैंक यू क्या? अब मैं सीख गया हूँ, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. Okay, let's try. 1, हुस्न तेरा तौबा तौबा तौबा.
विकी ये पंजाबी भांगड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है। It is
मेरा जो first rehearsal with Bosco looked exactly like this.
Vicky, I'm going to proxy Mr. the engineer here. Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm Akul. I'm going to be hosting South Utsavam. Okay, Vicky, can we?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. हुस्न तेरा तौबा. No wonder he came on stage with more confidence than me on this step.
Vicky, I want to do this with you. Yeah. I also request my dear co-host Raghavendra Vijay. He's a huge fan of the step, and he's been dancing this for every reality show of ours.
He just gave an expression like,
अच्छा ये स्टेप वेप तो गाना नहीं बज सकता क्या गाइस? गाना गाना तो बजा दो, स्टेप तो सब कर.
गाना मुझे,
अरे मतलब मैं कहीं भी मैंने गलती कर दी माइक लेके.
Guys, give it up for Vicky. He's going to perform for us today. Okay.
Are we playing the song or singing the song?
If the song is there, you can play it.
So we all sing together. 1, 2, 3, go. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Shahid साड़ी के फॉल्सा must be done, sir. I just want to give you a trivia. Before Tauba Tauba happened, before like any of my films happened, when my college friends got married, for 3 years straight on Sangeets, I was performing on only one song. So,
हम विकी को लाए हैं, वो सबका परफॉर्मेंस करेगा। ये तू साथ में कर मेरे। नहीं मैं तेरा वाला स्टेप करता हूँ, चल। मुझे वो आता नहीं लेकिन, बस तू सिखा दे। क्विक वाला ये 1, 2, 3. Anything you say, क्या करना है? Somebody has to sing, but are you all going to sing? I can't hear you guys. Yeah, आप तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, आप यहीं बस जाइए.
we have Abhishek Banerjee singing.
No, you are singing here.
You don't leave from here, brother. This is where the party is. Rana, leave your phone, Rana. Come. Come, we do Sarika Fall. Brother, come.
I'm just going to help Parthosan. If you could tell us the Nexa IFA partnership, what it has meant to you and to Nexa, and where do we go from here?
I think, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my media friends. It's indeed a pleasure to be part of this August ceremony. And as Sabbaz rightly mentioned, that Nexa is a brand which is a lifestyle brand, which means to create and inspire. We try to promote new challenges which are coming in the market, how we can come up with new solutions, and we can create some new things. So we feel Nexa as a brand stands for music, lifestyle, and travel. And cinema is one of the route by which we are trying to promote the new talent which is coming, be it in the Indian market and in the global arena also. So I think IFA and Nexa, we are now in the 8th year of association. And this year, as Sabbaz rightly mentioned, that we have moved to the regional markets of South also. 4 new more markets have come. I feel in times to come, you're going to introduce some more regional markets into the IFA also. And my best wishes to IFA. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Parthosan. We have our green carpet at IFA, and Maruti Suzuki has been powering ahead on the EV front and making it all eco-friendly across multiple years. We'd just like to give everyone a sense of the road ahead.
This year, we are going to display our 2 SUVs, Fronx and the Grand Vitara. The Fronx stands for the youth, and the Grand Vitara stands for the elegance, the lifestyle, and the premiumness. But yes, as Sabbaz said, next year, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to display the first EV, which is going to be a newborn EV. And this will be launched in the Auto Expo this year, in the Delhi Auto Expo. And next year, we are going to do it maybe near Silent, 4 times in a row. That part I leave it to Sabbaz.
Thank you, sir. Ashish, Shobha Realty has been very, very close to you. It's all about the art of detail. We've gone from strength to strength with Shobha. Please give our friends a sense of the partnership and what it means to Shobha. Over the last 2 years, we've had several of our stars and friends go and visit the Shobha rooms and get a sense of experience of the Shobha world itself. Ashish, over to you.
Thank you, Sabbaz. Good afternoon, everyone. Indeed, it's a pleasure being here representing Shobha Realty in this prestigious conference in presence of some of my favorite stars. I was just speaking to Vicky, who was there last year with us at Shobha. And since that time, I have been like a complete big fan of him before as well. I guess this is something which only IFA can do. Bringing the Indian cinema, bringing the fans closer to their favorite stars all across the globe. This is something which only IFA can do. Thanks to Sabbaz, Viraf, Andre, and I don't think so that is possible anywhere else. And that is what Shobha Realty also aims to do. Shobha Realty inspires to become a global brand that all the people across the globe can relate when they look for a trustworthy brand when it comes to real estate. Real estate is always a very emotional and a very personal thing for everyone. So that is what we aim to do. And I guess there was no better platform than IFA to be partnering with and taking our brand global. Starting from India, now in UAE, and now as we are venturing into the United States, I guess IFA platform will help us enter in that market as well in a bigger way. Secondly, I would like to say this year, having King Khan himself be on the stage and host IFA, I guess this year IFA is going to be bigger and better than anything that we have seen so far. So I am very excited about it. And as ma'am said, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, ma'am, today also when I open the TV screen, first movie that I look forward is for that. So it's all across. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. Praveenji, with you and IFA, it's been love at first sight.
Exactly.
I met Praveenji in a presentation a few weeks ago, literally. He and his entire team got in. And by the time we finished the presentation, I think he never waited for the last slide. He just stood up and hugged me. And all he said was, thank you. He never said anything else. The rest was history. Praveenji, tell us not just about IIFA, but the wealth you deserve. The concept of Mysore is completely new for all of us. If you can just highlight that so all of us can go back with a piece of UAE in our wallets.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Mr. Sabas, and good afternoon to everyone. Mysore is our concept, which was recently we have launched, and at that same time, Mr. Sabas and team, we met, and they proposed us this sponsorship. There's nothing can be better than the IIFA if you want to reach to anybody who loves Indian cinema, and I believe that most of the people, be any nationality, everybody loves Indian cinema. Mysore is the product of masses, as Shobha Developers does the lots of projects, big high-value properties. Mysore allows us, everyone, whoever is watching the Indian cinema or anywhere in India, anywhere in the world, Mysore allows everyone to participate in UAE real estate investments. Why? Because to reach to Shobha's investment level, it takes little longer time to, especially everyone. But with Mysore, anybody, everybody can invest starting from a 500 dirham. What we do is basically we buy properties from Shobha Developers, one of the most renowned developers in UAE. And this property we put on our platform. And in this property, everybody, all of you, anybody from anywhere can start investing from 500 dirham up to any amount you want to, your pocket allows. So at least you are getting used to investments in the real estate and taking part of it. Second part, we take care of all the management of the real estate. So you don't have to bother about that, who will rent, who will not rent, rent will come. We manage your rental income. You get every month the rental income. And when the right time comes, we sell, you get the profit as well. So Mysore is an amazing platform, and I would request you, everyone, to just have a look at it and participate in. Thank you.